Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the big mistake of holders doing this time, my friends. And this is also the alert urgent news for all BTT token holders. Keep watch this video complete for better understanding. And before starting this video, I request all of you that if you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Now, my friends, in this time, if we talk about the price changes, so you can see here from the beginning of the July, the price of Bittorrent token is negative. The last 1 week and last 24 hours, last 1 day, changes of the BTT token is negative. Completely fast down occurs in the Bittorrent token, my friends. And now the latest change is the last 1 hour changes is going positive. So, my friends, it's possible that they continue this pump for a long time. But my friends, a lot of people, a lot of holders of the Bittorrent token will see this kind of changes, my friends. I'm talking about the 7 days and last 24 hours changes, my friends. When a lot of people see this kind of changes, so they are disappointed. They understand that it is the continuously fast of Bittorrent token, and BTT token have no idea to take a pump in the future, my friends. But the people are wrong. My friends, don't be disappointed. Don't be disappointed. It's time to patience. I also predicated the Bittorrent token in my many videos that BTT token will take a pump in the July month, my friends. So that is confirmed that they have to take a pump, my friends. Don't worry about the future of Bittorrent token, my friends. The BTT future is safe. And absolutely, if you are a holder of Bittorrent token, so they will give you profit, not loss, my friends. And now at this time, when I see people see this kind of changes, so a lot of people decide to sell. And selling is the big mistake of all holders doing it this time, my friends. Don't decide to sell, it's time to hold. Absolutely, if you hold, so you will get profit from a Bittorrent token, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about BTT token in the future? Just tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.